Number 1. Dyson V15 Detect. The Dyson V15 Detect is the best Dyson vacuum on the market, hands down. The built-in dirt sensor is a game changer for those with allergies, giving you real-time data on the particles you're sucking up. The surface detection system is also incredibly useful, automatically adjusting power levels for different floor types. No need to worry about missing any debris with this vacuum's powerful 230 Watt suction motor. It picks up everything with ease, even on carpeted surfaces. Plus, the wide selection of attachments, including a laser light floor head and conical turbo brush, make cleaning a breeze. But here's the kicker. The newer Dyson Gen 5 Detect Absolute, while an upgrade, doesn't perform any better than the V15 Detect. Sure, it has some quality of life improvements, but they don't justify the higher price tag. And if you're considering splurging even more, the Dyson Gen 5 Outsize might catch your eye with its larger dustbin and wider cleaning head. What I love most about the Dyson V15 Detect is its unparalleled suction power and innovative dirt sensor technology. However, the vacuum can struggle on shag carpeting and lightweight rugs, so keep that in mind. Despite this, the V15 Detect remains the top choice for anyone in need of a reliable and efficient cleaning companion. Ready to upgrade your cleaning routine? Dive deeper into the Dyson V15. Detect and discover a whole new level of home cleaning efficiency. That's a wrap. We trust you enjoyed exploring our selection of best